What's good, Team Breezy? It's your boy, LD Breezy, and as y'all can see behind me or in front of me, I have my Toyota Camry, and inside this box right here, I have my intake hose, which is this right here that I'm about to replace. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe to the video. DIY LD activated on my $600 Toyota Camry. Let's do it. So I got the GoPro right here set up, y'all, for the angle, you know what I'm saying, as I replace it. I'm about to go ahead and unbox the intake and look at it. Intake right here in the box. I ordered it like last week and it came through. Shout out to Amazon for real. You know what I'm saying? Quick little unboxing. Tight. I see it. It's spanking new, bro. No cap. Get it. Pour that right there for real. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? This right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this shit is brittle as hell. I got to pull it off, bro. I think this for what is this? I don't even know what this tube is called, but I need this tube, bro. This one doesn't come with it. Let's see. Installation, you feel me? Drop my wrenches. Fucking socket don't want to come off to anything. finally got this shit off, bro. this whole thing off. I don't even know what this is right here. Comment down below and let me know what this is. But shit, I had to take this off just to get the intake hose off, bro. So now I'm about to install a new one. This back on like so. Might have to do I need a flat head, see, bro, I got a flat head, but I mean, forehead, bro. I need this shit back on. I just have to take the clamp off. Idiot. Or I think I might just have to untighten this whole shift here. Hold on, man. Let's see if I got a flat head somewhere. I don't know why I was at flat head, but I need a forehead screwdriver under these. Boys, so finally finished the freaking job. You know what I'm saying? Easy installation. You know, I just had to remove this thing. Y'all comment down below and let me know what this is right here, or I'll figure it out myself as I edit the video. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? A simple fix, bro. Feel with the old shit right here on the floor, you feel me? Type shit. Put it right there. Y'all see it? Easy fix, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna start her up real quick. y'all so y'all can see again. Just installed this John for real. GoPro right here. Let me start it up real quick. Show you this. Quick, easy installation, bro, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, as it idles down, hopefully, you know, no air is really getting in the engine. It look like I'm gonna need like a little PCV hose, bro, cause that shit, the last little hose I didn't show y'all, but it was like broken, like brittle, so I don't know, but let's go try it out for a spin real quick, you feel me? And then that's it for this video. So, like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all boys back in the next one. Good to go. DIY LD activated, bruh. So stay tuned for the next, you know what I'm saying, DIY content that I'm gonna do with the Toyota, you know what I'm saying. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all back in the next one. We out, man.